Sige nga, pakita mo pa na mag-wash ng face.
It's fun, but it's still sort of we have to keep going. Let me put out my second.
Wala.
The texture is saying,
Ayan.
the next
Okay.
opening
Sabon.
this way, my
Tubig.
lord. Come on.
Wash hands. Tapos water. Paano water? Lagyan mo ng water para mabula. Lagyan mo water para mabula. Hindi mabula eh. Lagyan ko konti ah. Sige. Sa mukha.
Go dive.
Wash ng face sa mukha.
Watch them up top.
Sige. Lahat.
Diving in.
Ganun.
Wait a minute.
This is the way I wash my face. Wash my face. Wash my face. This is the way I wash my face. Early in the morning. Oh, yun na. Banlaw na. Banlaw. Galing. Careful. Oh.
Wasin mama yung ases.
Wash hands naman. Wash hands naman. Oh.
Ayan.
Yun ulit.
Ulit.
Eh, pang shampoo, ano mo to eh. No more tears to eh. Hindi naman to pang wash. Wala na. Ayan. Wash hands. Paano mag-wash hands? Hindi ganyan pa mag-wash hands. Mag-wash hands si mami. Banlaw na. Tapos toothbrush pa. Ay, hindi pa. Ah, si mami tapos na eh. Ikaw naman.
Like this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, mabula na. Banlaw na. Okay na.
Tadi na.
Okay na. Okay, o, toothbrush naman. Brush ng teeth.
Guys, yung sakit si mami.
Ah, si mami mag-brush din. Si daddy ko toothbrush eh. Ito.
Ako muna.
Ito maglagay. Meron ka ba? Sige. Huwag madami ha.
This is perfect. Okay, let's go check it out.
Wala
I'm pretty
naman
sure
ako.
the dumpling should be right. Yeah,
Pwede pa.
right inside. It's here. So there's the cake, but
Yan.
my hair was getting
Okay.
wet before.
Basahin mo. Basahin mo.
Bata.
Wait lang.
Nice to see you care about me more than the dumpling.
Basa. Lagyan mo ng tubig.
And take it right back to my
Yan, okay. Toothbrush.
I'm coming back. Now it's time to open up my
Mamaya na ha. Babal na ha. O, tapos na?